Namaste. I am Prajwal BR from Iron and Steel Town Bhadravati, Karnataka State, India. In this video, I am going to showcase my experiences as an intern in my dream company, Cisco. 5th July 2019, I got placed in my dream company, Cisco. That was one of the most amazing moments of my life. My journey as an intern began on 13th January. We had a grand welcome and cool events.
Most of us, the common thing in us is Mysore, so the team name is Mysore Black.
We explored most of the Cisco campus on the first day itself. We were the most creative team. I became the second runner-up in the social media contest. This is our CX team from Sri Jayachamrajendra College of Engineering, Mysuru. This is our CMS team. We had great mentors who helped us a lot in gaining the required skills. They also guided us in doing our projects. Here we used to learn together and share together and also brainstorm many ideas. Ta-da! Fun time with WebEx. And here is our team's artist. Our guiding seniors. We took part in most of the activities of Toastmasters Club and ECL. We people are so crazy for cricket in India. We were so happy and excited when our first stipend was credited. I just love cycling. We had so much fun together in the campus. Lunch breaks were so awesome. We used to share our day's experiences and also delicious food. We sometimes planned some cool activities for the evenings. Let's take a look on Friday evenings at Chai Point. Playing games is so much fun and refreshing. Some afternoons after the lunch break,
down. Suno.
Fish eating.
No,
we also used to play Pictionary online. Every weekends, We used to travel in trains, having so much fun with our college friends and attending college classes. On every Saturdays, we used to volunteer ourselves to help the visually impaired children. On one of the weekends, we went to some of the most beautiful, scenic, and also spiritual places in Uttara Kannada district of Karnataka. We visited farmhouse and attended one of the Karnataka's biggest festival, Sirsi Marikamba Jatra. We used to have regular team meetings over WebEx. We also shared the fun things we had working from home. Attending these sessions gave deeper understandings on how much we care about our customers and also the quality we offer. We had great time completing our project, eating delicious fruits, meeting friends virtually, and learning from Cisco books. And happiness is getting a full-time offer.
Hi Sonu,
Hi mommy.
congratulations for being a part of Cisco.
Thank you mommy. Thank you so much. This is my father.
Hi, Prajwal. Congratulations being a part of Cisco. Sona.
Thank you. Thank you. They are my grandparents.
Hi Sonu,
Hi Aja.
how are you?
I'm awesome Aja.
Hi, congratulations Sonu.
Thank you Ji. Thank you.
Very happy.
Thank you Aja. Thank you so much Ji.
You will become great man in Cisco.
Yes Aja. Thank you. Let me introduce my niece.
And Sonu Mama bring me lots of chocolates and ice cream.
Shwa Sinchana. And this is Impana. सब कुछ है